Mang Carlos is a farmer. He spent most of his time taking care of his cabbage farm. One spring season, he checked his farm, then he found out that his cabbages was damaged by some caterpillars. Mang Carlos is struggling to control pests in his crops because everything requires a lot of money to acquire such goods to preserve his precious crop.
Having the same problem with Mang Carlos?
With that problem, here's our solution.
Introducing BIASTICIDE.
What makes your product unique?
It is budget-friendly.
Utilize Biasong as the main ingredient.
It is easy to make.
BIASTICIDE, a solution fortified.